Hello, my name is Stacey Brook and I am the founder and chief advisor at College Essay Advisors. And today I'm going to be talking to you about the Common Applications prompt number 4. Which reads, describe a problem you've solved or a problem you'd like to solve. It can be an intellectual challenge, a research query, an ethical dilemma, anything that is of personal importance, no matter the scale. Explain its significance to you and what steps you took or could be taken to identify a solution. Prompt number 4 is not so dissimilar to prompt number 2 in that it's asking you to address a problem and its solution. Prompt number 4, I think, offers even a little more flexibility than prompt number 2 because it leaves both the scale of the problem and the time frame wide open, so it's a fun one to play with. When you're thinking about obstacles, you should think about everything from more traditional obstacles that you have to overcome to the smaller predicaments that make you think about what you value from day to day. You should also keep in mind that this prompt can be approached from an aspirational perspective, or in other words, it doesn't have to be about a problem you've already solved. It can be about a problem that you're hoping you might be able to have a hand in solving in the future. Think about what the future might bring, problem-wise, on both a personal and a global scale. What meaningful impact might you want to have on the world moving forward? Has your commitment to increasing awareness about global warming inspired you to reach out to community leaders and try to put some more green measures in place for the community overall? We once worked with a student who wanted to help the homeless in her community, so she started a nonprofit to collect coats and distribute them to homeless shelters all around the neighborhood in which she lived. Some questions you might want to consider when approaching this question are, what inspires you to action? What impact do you want to have on the world, and how do you actually push that progress forward? What kind of mark do you want to leave in the world? And if you could contribute to any cause at all and make a positive impact, what would it be? One thing that's important to keep in mind is that whatever problem you choose, it needs to be deeply connected to your own aspirations, motivations. Remember, the purpose of the personal statement is to reveal something about yourself to admissions that you want them to know. So this needs to be connected in some highly personal way to the way you live your life, what you're hoping to accomplish. It has to be highly specific and, again, really relevant to your own interests. And don't forget, you want to follow the instructions for this prompt, and after you address your problem, you just want to make sure that you include a fully fleshed out solution. Hopefully we've given you some helpful advice about prompt number 4. If you haven't already, check out the videos for prompts 1 through 3, and 5 through 7 will be coming to you soon. Thank you so much for watching our video. Please subscribe to our channel. We are going to be uploading many more videos for the 2018-19 application season, so check back for regular editions. Also, if you want more information about College Essay Advisors one-on-one advising services, feel free to check us out, collegeessayadvisors.com. We also have an online course where you can get essay help right now. Again, check out collegeessayadvisors.com. Follow us on social media, but don't forget, come back here to find more videos for tips and tricks to help you with your admissions essays.